Hi there, my name's Dina. I'm a business coach and digital strategist with the company PetrelliReviews.com. I teach entrepreneurs how to monetize, automate, and market their expertise for profit. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to very easily give yourself a virtual background in Zoom. Let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to type into your internet browser zoom.us. Once you've located the link for that home page, go ahead and click it. Now that you've arrived, you will see a place to sign in for your account. In the top right-hand corner, go ahead and sign in to your Zoom account or register for a new account here. For the purposes of this tutorial, you are seeing a zoom in of the screen. When you log onto your account, you're going to have many more options on your screen. I've just zoomed in to protect my personal account information so that it isn't revealed during the tutorial. So on the top right-hand corner of your account, you're going to see host a meeting. You are going to click that and that will reveal 3 additional boxes with video off, with video on, screen share only. You are going to select the with video on. Once you've started your meeting, you are either going to see a black screen like this if you have your camera closed, or you're going to see yourself on camera. You will notice at the bottom of your Zoom screen, there is a bunch of different things that you can do, and I want to direct your attention to the stop video option. Once you've clicked that option, it will reveal a panel, and you will see an option called Choose Virtual Background. You're going to go ahead and click that. A new screen will open up, and you will see this panel. You will know that you're in the right place if the blue is highlighted and it says virtual background. You'll also notice that if there are preloaded backgrounds on your account, they will be revealed here to the right bottom area, or you'll just see a box in black that says none. Take notice of the very tiny little plus sign. On the middle right-hand side of the screen, you are going to click this, and it's going to reveal 2 more options. Once clicked, it will reveal 2 options to either add an image or a video as your virtual background. The process is the same for both, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to add an image. So you're going to click that. Once you've clicked that, it's going to bring up the interface navigation guide for whatever type of computer you have. If you're on a Mac, it's going to look one way. If you're on a PC, it's going to look another. The main basic point here is on your navigation bar, you need to determine where that image that you want to use is housed at on your computer. Once you've found where that image is at, you're going to go ahead and click Open. The image you've selected will then be automatically imported into Zoom and on to your background. Ta-da! You now have your amazing Zoom virtual background. Now here's a couple tips to help you when selecting your virtual background. First of all, the best image size for Zoom backgrounds is 1280 by 720 px. Also, it's a good idea to pick an image that is light and bright. Also, it doesn't matter if you are picking a home background or an office background. If you want it to look realistic, choose something that has a realistic perspective, meaning that is the right size or makes sense logically for the way that it's situated when you appear on video. So if you were to see me appear in the middle of the screen, it would look as if I was just sitting in a kitchen because of the perspective of the chairs being behind me and being at a distance. It makes perfect sense, and people probably would not guess that this was a virtual background. I hope you found this video helpful. I'd love to leave you with a free gift to help you in your Zoom journey. So if you'd like to pick up a free Zoom tips and tricks checklist, click the link that's with this video. Thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial. I'd love to have you follow me at petrellireviews.com or on my social media at petrellireviews on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or YouTube. There you'll find more amazing ways to monetize, automate, and market your expertise for profit. Again, this is Dina Petrelli, your business coach and digital strategist with petrellireviews.com. I'll see you in the next tutorial.